Hey guys, so Nykaa is having its amazing skincare week wherein you get amazing discounts on skincare, and of course knowing me you would know that I of course had a huge order to place. I shared this photograph on my Snapchat as well, and so many of you asked me to share my haul with you all, and that's why I'm here. Today we are going to be sharing my huge skincare haul with you all, and there is a tiny giveaway by the end of the video as well, so make sure you stay tuned till the end because I'm going to be having two winners, because I did pick something out for you guys as well, something that I really like, so that I can share it with you guys as well. So I'm just gonna start randomly because I've already unwrapped everything. I know how annoying it can get for some of you guys when I'm unwrapping everything with you and you're just like, can you just move fast? So yes, we're gonna start with the haul. So the first thing that I can see in here is this Dermalogica Skin Health Heroes Kit. Now this kit was I think on a 67% off or something of that sort. So it has three products. One is a cleansing gel, one is an active toner, and one is a primer. Now because I do travel a lot, products like this come in really handy because they're just so tiny and they can fit in your bag, their makeup pouch without overweighing it, which is something I love. Dermalogica is an expensive brand, so I love kits like these because these are value for money. Not only do you get something to try out, but these are really good quantities as well. You don't finish them really quickly, at least I don't somehow. My mini sizes always tend to work longer than the full size products. So we have that. Then I got the bio oil because so many of you have been like asking me to do a review on this. I of course have stretch marks all over my body, on my arms, on my thighs, on my tummy. And it's not like I'm insecure about them, but a lot of you guys wanted me to try this out and review it for you guys. So that's why I thought, while you're having a discount, let's just order it. Then I ordered the three new variants of the Nivea deodorizers. These are in the variants Fresh Citrus and Care, then we have Fresh Rose and Care, and then we have Fresh Petal and Care. I have tried out the Fresh Rose and Care one and I really like it. I anyway like Nivea's deos a lot because that's what I have been using since like I guess a year now, and they really do take care of my body odor issues, and they do not irritate me at all, which is something I like. Then I ordered this Michelle USA Ageless Papaya Brightening Cleanser. Now I can't tell you guys how much like a brightening cleanser has been exciting me. Like a face wash in general, it has been so exciting for me since 1 year now, because my dermat a year ago recommended me a good face wash for my acne, and this is a tip that he gave me, that if you use the right face wash, your skin will remain healthier. So I've been giving so much importance to my cleaning routine rather than just like what I'm layering on my skin. So yes, really like a face wash makes the world of a difference. So that's why I ordered this one, although I hate papaya, I really hate papaya, but it said ageless and it said brightening, so I was like, purchase. And plus it's such a huge bottle. Let me just open it up and show it to you guys. This is the size of the bottle of the face wash. Like literally I have shampoos of the same size or maybe even less, and it was a new brand. I had never heard of this brand, Michelle USA, so I was really eager to try it out. So that's why I got this one. And as I was saying, like face washes have started to excite me to another level. So I also ordered the Neutrogena Oil-Free Acne Face Wash. This is the Micro Clear Facial Cleanser for acne-prone skin. I ordered this one because I am having a couple of breakouts, and again, this was the perfect timing to try this out. I love to try out new products for you guys and then review it for you guys whenever you want me to. So yeah, we ordered that thing. Then of course, like no Nykaa sale can go without me ordering sheet mask. Now, literally, this is like the worst addiction I've ever had. I am just obsessed with sheet masks. Ordered a lot of Innisfree sheet masks this time because I've already ordered a lot of Face Shop sheet masks. They are also on a 5 buy 5 get 5 offer, and really who can resist that? At least I can't. I'm having such a bad addiction to sheet masks. So that's why I ordered a lot of Innisfree sheet masks. I ordered its Real Squeeze mask, Skin Clinic mask, like all sorts of masks I've already ordered. So many, I really need to stop and calm myself down, but I really cannot. Then I ordered the Kaya Anytime Moisturizing Cream because I did try out Kaya's acne range and I was really impressed. I feel like Kaya is really underrated when it comes to their product somehow. So obviously it's at anytime and it's at moisturizing and it says up to 24 hours hydration. This dry girl requires all of it. So I ordered this one. The tub seems really pretty. Like it seems very high-endy and it feels very heavy. So I'm really excited to try this one out. I'm actually excited to try everything out. I have another sheet mask, so let's just put that aside. Then I got the Plum Hello Aloe Gentle Cleansing Lotion. Now this is to remove your makeup. You can never have enough makeup remover, especially with a person like me who wears makeup ever so often. So you can never have enough makeup removers. I really want to try something new out. I am currently using the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm as well as Kaya's Cleaning Wipes. So yeah, I think this is going to be a nice addition as well. I also finished my Face Shop Rice Water, the second bottle, yes. Then I got the Plum Grapeseed and Sea Buckthorn Nutrients in Night Cream. I've already tried this out, I've used it, I loved it, and that's why I ordered it. This is a new one, of course. The earlier one that I had was actually a sampler size and it was really good. It just made my skin feel so good about itself. So that's why I knew I had to order this while I am getting some discounts on it. So we got that. Then from Plum I also got the Vanilla and Fig, the Rich Shake Body Wash, because just the name Vanilla and Fig really like called me to it. Like they were like, come for us baby, come for us. So there is actually a whole range, but I wanted to try out the body wash first before going in with the body lotion and everything, because I have a lot of body lotions right now, like a lot, way more than I ever require. So I got that. I feel you finish body washes earlier than body creams. I don't know what you guys feel, but I definitely feel that way. That's why I ordered the Natio Wellness Sharp and Bath Gel. This is Shower Yourself with Love. It just again seemed very intriguing. It just said moisturizing sweet almond and nutrient-rich pomegranate to cleanse and neutralize free radicals. Simply squeeze into hands or loofah, lather and rinse. Anything that says hydration, to be honest, is something I feel like I need to purchase. It's a bad habit, I know, it's a really bad habit. Then I got a Bioderma's Purifying Cleansing Foaming Gel. Again, I told you guys my tryst with all of the face washes out there. I have really gotten addicted to using nice face washes. So I got this one. I love the color combination. Aqua blue and green. It just looks really pretty and really girly. Of course, that's not how I'm going to be judging its performance, but just saying the color combination is really cute. Then I got my hands on a new brand called Ahava. Now it is a very expensive luxury brand, so I really want to try it out again. Whatever I got really resonates with my skin type. So I got the Ahava Active Dead Sea Minerals Leave-On Dead Sea Mud Derma Intensive Hand Cream for dry and sensitive skin relief. And you guys know my hands are Sahara Desert. They're extremely dry. I love a good hand cream. I have a couple of hand creams, 1,000, a gazillion maybe, but of course I had to get a new one, so I got this one. I'm so excited to try it out. Like Ahava has its whole concept based on mud and water, and I was just so intrigued by it. The next one I got is from their Hydrate range. This is the Time to Hydrate Hydration Cream Mask. Again, it's a cream mask. It's meant to replenish dry skin, so you know I had to get this. Like, I don't even have to explain myself now. I just feel like we are so close, we know each other so well that I don't need to explain myself. Then I got the Ahava Time to Treat Facial Renewal Peel. Again, it's like a treatment. It's supposed to be a gentle action. It's supposed to give your skin a nice boost of moisturization and peel away all of the dead skin together. I think that's what I read online. It says Facial Renewal Peel Gel Action powered by Osmosta and Ahava Citration technology. Apply this gentle action peel for immediate radiance. Feel the smoothness as pure vitamin C assists in removing dead skin and stimulating cell removal. Apply on clean face, leave for 10 minutes, rinse off. So in for it. So down for things like this. And then of course my shopping was over a certain limit, and no alcohol is complete with a free pouch. We got this beautiful pouch that is also filled with goodies. So we have the Nivea body lotion. This is the whitening cooling sensation. Then we got a sheet mask from the Face Shop. This is their Real Nature White Tea Balancing face sheet mask, which I love. And then we have a small pack of the Bioderma, which again is my love. I love Bioderma as well. I think this is the pouch that you get over when you spend like over rupees 3,500, and then there's another pouch that you get when you spend over rupees 5,000. That is more luxurious than this one. That's what I guess. Now those are all of the things I got. Now coming to the giveaway, there are going to be two winners. I did pick out something that I already had and I've used and I love for you guys as well. So the first winner is going to get this Forest Essential Facial Uptan in the Multani Mitti variant. I already have this. They have changed the packaging, so I'm just going to quickly show you the packaging. The packaging that I had is different. Now the packaging looks like this. It looks like a dome, like a Ulta Dome. So we have this. So the first winner is gonna get this, and the second winner is actually gonna get the Plum Chamomile and White Tea Brighten Up Face Scrub. I recently reviewed this as well and I have loved it. So of course I knew I had to get this one for you guys as well. Now of course the rules for the giveaway are Shreya standard. All you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, but please don't subscribe just for the giveaway. Subscribe if you genuinely like me. And just comment below one skincare product you have been recently loving. Please comment only once. I want everyone to have a fair chance. I will be picking out the winner randomly in 1 week. So after 1 week, I will have 2 winners announced in the bottom bar. So check the bottom bar and you will know who the winner is after 1 week. And I will also be replying to their comments individually as well. So yes, that's the giveaway. That's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed both of these. And if you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. Also, don't forget to check out all of my other social media, which will be listed in the bottom bar as usual for you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.